Hey there, welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Today, we're diving into the world of gaming PCs, and I am so excited to introduce you to the incredible POS Computer Curved Screen All-in-One PC DDR4. This complete full-set gaming PC build is an absolute game-changer, pun intended. First off, let's talk about that curved screen. With a high resolution and 19,201,080 Full HD ADS screen, you're getting more detail and a wider view for an immersive gaming experience. But it's not just for gaming. This PC is also suitable for business office tasks, online learning, design work, and so much more. The built-in CPU and DDR4 memory make this PC a total powerhouse, and it comes with Windows 11 pre-installed for a seamless and user-friendly experience. And let's not forget about the sleek and modern design that will elevate any workspace. Now, when it comes to purchasing, the shipping is lightning fast, with items being sent within 48 hours of your payment being completed. Plus, if you're considering a wholesale purchase, you can expect a competitive and satisfying price and quality that will meet all your needs. If you have any questions or concerns about the product, rest assured that our team of professional technicians is ready and available to assist you. Your satisfaction and peace of mind are our top priorities. So, if you're ready to take your gaming and productivity to the next level, make sure to check out the link in the description to get your hands on the POS Computer Curved Screen All-in-One PC DDR4. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy gaming.